So good morning, each one of you. Today, I'm just going to revise the half yearly mock paper. If anybody is having any problem, you may ask. Okay. Let's recall what mistakes you have done. Let's have a quick revision of this half yearly exam. Okay. So anything else where the doubt was there, you may ask. If any doubt was there, like in your first part, very short answer questions when one mark each. In the soil, which of the nutrients is enriched by blue green alga? So kindly give a quick review. Yes, Varuni.
Ma'am, nitrogen.
Nitrogen it is. Okay. Why should we avoid standing to the tuberculosis first patient? Raise your hands and give a quick answer so that we can revise it soon. Why? Why we should not stand near to person? Yes, Prateksha.
Ma'am, tuberculosis is an communicable disease that can spread from air, from one person to another.
Okay, so means the main purpose is that is a communicable disease and it's spread from a person to the other person. Next, what do you mean by metamorphosis? Anshika Agarwal.
The change from larva to adult is called metamorphosis.
Through a drastic change. Larva to adult through a drastic change is known as metamorphosis. Next, who discovered cell and when? Neha Jain. Who discovered cell and when?
Ma'am, the robot who that discovered the cell in 1665.
Yes. Next, what is the unit of force and pressure? Units of force and pressure. Yes, Akshita. Akshita, you have raised hand. Prateksha.
Ma'am, 1 kg.
No. Varuni.
Ma'am, Newton.
Unit of force is Newton and pressure is Pascal. Next, define the ignition temperature. What do you mean by ignition temperature? Yes, Arav Sehgal, you know?
Ma'am, the lowest temperature
At
which
which
we need burn.
at which the substance catches fire. That is known as the ignition temperature. Okay. Next, carrying 2 marks. How do vaccine works? Can I have a short answers? I don't want the long answers. How do vaccine works? When the vaccination is done, how does it work? Yes, Arav Sehgal, can you tell? Aditya Jain, Akshat, Saksham Tiwari.
Ma'am, a vaccine is a substance when injected inside a body, it triggers our defense system to fight
Okay.
against toxic
Yes, fight
microorganisms.
against, increase our immune system, fight against the diseases. Okay. Next is, while driving, what tips should we, Ananya Jain? Yes, we should follow to save petrol and diesel.
Drive at a moderate speed as far as possible. Switch off the engines at traffic light or places where you wait. Regular service of a car is important.
Okay, number 3. So 2 or 3 points are required to write down. Question number 3 was, heating oil to fry potato chips. The cooking oil all of a sudden caught fire. He poured water to extinguish the fire. So is it the right way to do it? To put water to extinguish fire if it is due to oil. Is it? Yes, Varuni?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, this is not right.
Reason beta
As
आपको
what?
देना. Yes.
As ma'am, oil is heavier than water.
Oil is lighter than water. Oil.
Sorry, oil is lighter than water, so it's light. So it
Instead
float
of
on it.
extinguishing the fire will increase because it will
Yes.
float on the water. Okay, next you have to name the hormones. Yes, Anya, roll number 1. First is frightened person. When the person is in the frightened condition, which hormone is released during that situation? Yes, Akshita.
Ma'am, adrenal gland.
Adrenal hormone is released. Okay. A growth of a child to adult. It's a growth hormone. And development of a caterpillar to moth, insect hormone. Control rate of metabolism. Can I have the answer?
Thyroid hormone.
Yes, it is a thyroid hormone. So you have to name the hormones. Next, name the force acting in a plastic bucket containing water held above the groundwater in your hand. If you are holding a bucket above the ground level, which force is acting on it? Yes, Akshita.
And muscular force.
It's a muscular force and against the gravity you are holding it. Okay. What are the conditions required for combustion? So I hope you know the conditions required. 3 things are required. Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, fuel to supply oxygen, air, presence of combustion substance, and heat to raise ignition temperature.
Okay, so 3 things are required for the conditions required for the combustion to take place. Next 3 marks question answers are there. How is coal formed? Its characteristics and uses of coke. So how coke is formed? This is about coke only. Yes, Akshita. Rest everybody has not written the answers. Why rest are not raising the hand?
And can I tell?
Yes, you give the
Coke.
answer. What about rest?
Coke is formed by strict distillation of coke. It is a process of heating coal in the absence of oxygen. Coke is tough, porous, and black substance. It is almost pure form of carbon. Uses of coke. It is used from extraction of metals. It is
Okay,
used
but
for
fine.
the
Fine. Next is give reason. LPG is better domestic fuel than wood. LPG is better. And paper by itself catches fire easily, whereas a piece of paper wrapped into the aluminium. This is the activity which is given in your book. So why it is so? Because when the paper will be wrapped in the aluminium foil, its ignition temperature will be raised. So it's difficult to burn that paper. And LPG is better than better domestic fuel because it does not leave any residue, easy to transport, easy to store. The whole gas is used, no residue is left. So 3-4 points you may write down. Next, sketch of the nerve cell and what function do nerve cell do? Perform that you have to write down. Next is list changes in the body shape during puberty in boys and girls. Height changes, body parts increases, and this voice changes. So different points you may write down. An archer shoots an arrow in the air horizontally. However, after moving some distance, the arrow falls on the ground. Name the initial force that sets an arrow in motion and why it falls down. So what may be the answer of question number 5? Yes, Ananya.
And when the arrow is set into the motion by the archer put the muscular force, and when the string is released, its original position that provides the initial force to set the arrow in the motion. Gravitational force that acts on it on downwards direction let the arrow fall down.
Okay. So I hope it's clear to you. And next is explain the fertilization in frogs. So here you know that is external fertilization and you have to explain that. Next, let's come on the long answer questions. In first question, you have to prepare the table, endocrine glands, hormones secreted, and along with their functions. So 3 columns, your answer should be in 3 columns. First, whatever the hormone you are writing, you have to write the hormone, gland, first of all gland, then hormone secreted, then you have to write down their functions. Yes, anybody else can give the answer? Yes, Saksham Tiwari, Surbhi Saini, Tanya. Anya. Yes, give the answer. What hormones you have written? What glands are there and what hormones are released from this? Like adrenal gland is there. Adrenal hormone is released by this. And you have to write down the function of it. Thyroid gland, thyroxine. In this way, you have to write down the 5, and pancreas releases the insulin. What function it does perform? So 3 columns में आपका answer होना चाहिए. Next, short note on Adam's apple, secondary sexual characteristics and sex determination in the unborn baby. So beta, this question is of 5 marks. So at least you have to write down 2-3 lines about it. Relevant lines. ऐसा नहीं कि lines पूरी करनी है आपको बस. Next question number 2 is, why do we need to breathe faster at the top of tall mountain? What's the reason behind it? Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, if you go to high altitude quickly, your body has to adapt to the thinner air and the lack of oxygen. You breathe faster and more deeply to maximize the amount of oxygen.
Yes, you know, as we move higher, as we go to the mountains, the air becomes rarer. Rarer means the amount of oxygen decreases in the air. Okay. So at that time, because our body has to adapt according to that, so that's why the breathing rate becomes faster because of the low oxygen level. Why does a high atmospheric pressure at sea level does not squash us? So what's the reason behind it? I think only very few children has done this paper. What about rest? Why rest are not responding? Yes, Akshita.
Ma'am, because the balance of our body at pressure as the pressure of atmosphere.
Okay. Next, Rania Jain. C part. When is the pressure on the ground more? When a person is lying or when the person is standing?
Pressure is more when a man is standing because there is less area, and less area means more pressure. And when the man is lying, more area is there, and more area means
more
less pressure.
area is in contact with the person and a ground. Ground and person के बीच में जो है, there is a more area is covered, more area of contact and less pressure will be exerted. So pressure will be more when the man is standing. Okay. How a single cell converts into the into an individual in the humans. So from a beginning, you have to write down that after the fertilization, zygote is formed, and after the formation of a zygote, this process that the ball of cell is there. Slowly the development takes place. That developing stage is known as an embryo, and that after that it gets embedded into the walls of the uterus. Okay. So after that, in the uterus, then you have to tell about the fetus. That stage comes after 8 weeks, and in this way you have to explain the whole. Next comes, identify these sketches and differentiate between. So easily you can differentiate between these two. This is a plant cell as well as an annual cell. I think there is a second question. You have to identify 3 of the stages. In first is the fertilization. In second is the embedded in the uterus, और third वाला आपका zygote formation is there. And second question में आपको इसको rearrange करना था in a correct sequence. And after that, number 3, explain the development that takes place in any one of the space stage. So you know that development takes place in the where it takes place. C part में क्या आंसर आना था?
Ma'am, fallopian tube.
Fallopian tubes. Development takes place in uterus. आपका जो fertilization है, that takes place in oviduct, और उसके बाद जो further fertilization होता है, further development है, that takes place in the uterus. But इनमें से किसी stage में पूछा है, अगर 1, 2, 3 stages में से पूछा, तो we can use the middle one. इस stage में आपका development होता है, ठीक है? First वाला तो आपको fertilization है, second में zygote, 2 nucleuses are getting combined with one another. After that, question number 3 is, you have to label the fractional distillation. So you can do it. Next is this one. Children, this question is of one mark only. ये 1 लिखा है. It is not of 1 because your OTBA is 10 marks only. 3, 3, 3, 9 or plus 1. Okay, it's not of 1. It's of only 1. Burning of a candle is an example of a which type of a change? Combustion, sorry. It's not a spontaneous, it's not explosive, it's a rapid, you may write down, rapid.
Rapid combustion.
Rapid combustion. The poisonous gas released as a result of incomplete combustion is when the incomplete combustion, so you should know which gas is released. This is carbon monoxide is released. Okay. Next, case study. There was no choice in case study. 1 mark question was there. So here is a case. 15 years old boy, while traveling in a car, saw that a factory near the outskirt of city caught fire. He came to know from his father that the factory is petrochemical. Quickly, he told his father to stop the car. He got down and called the fire brigade. Fortunately, the fire brigade arrived within 15 minutes and controlled the fire. So on the basis of this situation, you have to reply, what is the substance used as a fire extinguisher by firemen and why? So when the fireman was there, so what do you think? Which substance he must have used? उसने क्या चीज यूज की होगी to extinguish the fire? Yes, Ananya.
He must have used carbon dioxide extinguisher.
Okay, because carbon dioxide is heavier and it forms a blanket and does not spot burning. That's why. What is the basic principle of controlling the fire? So we have to use a substance which does not spot burning. And values are Ashu depicted, so that can vary. Answers may vary. Ashu ne kya value depicted ki? He was intelligent, he used his mind, he was caring. So this type of values you can write down. Next, question number 2. Yes, Harshit Deshwar, read this question number 2. Harshit, unmute and read this question. Harshit Deshwal, unmute. I'm just saying to read the question. Harshit. Yes, Anya. Read this question number 2.
Generally, baby brings rejoice and celebration in the family. Sunita's uncle's family, residing in a remote village of Bihar, was expecting a baby, but unfortunately, after the birth of the child, the family was not so much happy. This matter made Sunita very upset, though she was not sure about the reason. Her elder sister Geeta, a student preparing for medical school, was present over there. She satisfied the curiosity of her younger sister. On this situation, answer the following questions.
So why the family was seemed to be unhappy? So maybe
because in rural areas,
in simple words, you have to give the answer of the birth of due to the birth of a girl child. How does the sex determination takes place? But many of you, I don't know who, I'm not identifying here, but many of the children has not written according to 2 marks. Only they had completed the answer in 1 mark. So just see to it, this question was of 2 marks. How does a sex determination takes place? So you have to just take care of it. How that takes place. थोड़ा सा explanation चाहिए था कि chromosomes are there. How many types of chromosomes are there in the male and female? How they combine and how the determination of a sex of a child can be takes place. Next is during pregnancy, how to take care of women health. So it's very simple. You can write down the balanced diet and vitamin rich diet she requires. Next is, in a game of tug of war played by two teams in a school, the rope does not move in any of the direction. So answer is very, very clear. If the rope is not moving means what happens?
Pressure is same.
Equal force is applied from both the sides. अगर दोनों तरफ से equal force लगेगी, only then the rope is not able to move. Why does a rope not move? The same is there. Give to another example of pushing and pulling actions. So any two examples of pushing and any other two examples of pulling you can give. So children, this was your question paper of half yearly. I think it was not too tough. Simple paper it was, and your rest of the MCQs are there. MCQ sheet. I have the answers only of MCQ. First is, I don't know you people are remembered or not. First is B, fermentation. Second is bacillus. Third is hydrocarbons. Maybe you must be remembering something. 4 is A, coke, coal tar, coal gas. 5th is A, outer zone. Then kilojoule per kg. 7th, plastid. 8th, sperm, oviduct, egg. 9th, to ensure better chance of fertilization. 10th is B, oil glands during puberty. Males only, 11th. 12th is magnitude of force applied by A is smaller. 13th is B, the difference, whatever the rest of the part will be. 14th is B, equal force in opposite direction. 15th is only plants. 16th, Bory and Panchmari. 17, chromosomes. 18, exhaustible. 19, nitrogen dioxide plus sulfur. 20th is carbon monoxide. So children, this was your half yearly exam. Now we have discussed. If any of the problem is there, if any of the question is not understood, you may ask.